Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe bell. It's me being Tori, and today I'm thrilled to share my plans to help my Snapdragons bloom back and prepare for fall. Plus, I will give you some exciting updates on how my balcony garden is thriving. Trust me, there is never a dull moment in my garden, so stick around for some bug action. The word of the day is restart. Comment down below if there's something in your life you'd like to restart or refresh. Don't forget to help my channel grow by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you'll never ever miss an update from my channel. Let's get this garden video started, you guys. Hey guys, it's me being Tori, the gardener with the Crocs. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna focus on my plans for fall gardening and what I'm doing for the Snapdragons. So if you haven't seen my little video where I make these tags right here, make sure you check it out. It's a short. But anyways, let's focus on what I'm gonna do with these Snapdragons. Guys, I love Snapdragons. The Snapdragon variety that I got came in all these beautiful colors. I had white, I had like 2 different shades of pink, a dark purple, a yellow. They were all beautiful. And I just love Snapdragons and watching them grow in my garden. But I'm gonna have to take a little better care of them. Learning more about them. This is my first time growing Snapdragons, and I don't know if they're perennial by perennial. So what my goal is to do for fall, to get ready for fall, is to deadhead all the dead leaves and keep the beautiful green vibrant ones going strong. So that means I'm gonna have to get rid of all the dead leaves and stuff, and hopefully by fall time comes when it's much cooler and shadier, these beautiful Snapdragons will come back to life and I get to put them in my bouquet. So I can't wait to see them grow more. Hopefully they are perennials, but if they're not, I have lots and lots of seeds. One thing I know about these Snapdragons is that they don't like the heat. So right now it is the end of July and the heat is very strong here in Southern California. I'm in zone 10B and it's hot. So what I did was, I have 2 plants here. I deadheaded them all, trying just to leave mostly the green. I'm trying to get rid of all the brown leaves, all the leaves that look just like diseased or dead and all that. So I cut this real back, you guys. I got some more to cut back, and I'm going to wait to see if they will bloom more in the fall. So that's what I'm doing, just deadheading and cutting all the bad leaves, cutting the stems and everything, and hopefully they will grow back. The more I cut, I see like little green blooms on some. So that is what I'm doing. Hopefully these Snapdragons will grow back in the fall where it's much more cooler, and then we got winter time. It's gonna be way cooler, and I just don't think they're thriving very well here in zone 10B, hot Southern California. Here's a branch right here that I'm gonna get rid of because it looks it's yellow. I see some green on it, but I'm just gonna get rid of it. I gotta snap it. There we go. I see some green going on top. All these leaves with the little white spots on them. The ones that are turning green. Cleaning it up, guys. Cleaning it up. So yes, you guys, I did a lot of deadheading on both of my Snapdragon plants. So I'm just basically getting rid of all the spent flowers, the dead, the dried up, overwatered leaves to start fresh and new. And when I stepped back to look, I could see that the plant was like thriving and looking really good, even though in this hot temperature of California. But I will just continue to maintain it as it grows and look for dead leaves and all the other things, the stems that need to be cut to get ready for this flower to bloom and fall. So learning about Snapdragons, now that I know my first time growing them, that they do not like the heat. So next time, right before summer comes, I'll make sure I hit them all after the winter and fall and spring seasons are done with, and just let them relax and lay back during the summer. I think that's what I will do next time. So these flowers won't dry out and look sad, because I didn't know. I was like, well, maybe they will grow in the summer, but they're not a summer flower. I just think they like the colder temperatures better. I enjoy my balcony garden, and let me tell you, it is work, time, and patience for all the flowers, watching them grow, taking care of them. So yeah, I'm getting a workout as I garden. I'm going up and down, getting water. I did a lot of deadheading and pruning of this, both of my flowers. So yeah, I spent a lot of time out in the garden, some peaceful, relaxful moments, and I enjoy gardening. That's one of the favorite things about gardening, is just calm, peace, and relaxing. So as I was gardening on this hot day, I made sure I had my sunscreen, I stayed hydrated, and a nice sun hat, and I tried to do it early in the morning, but the sun snuck up on me. So it's right before 11, I think I was filming this, and I said I gotta get this job done and make sure my Snapdragons grow lovely. Editing Tori here. This is a June bug flying over me. According to research, they don't bite or sting. And yes, they are pollinators. I saw one enjoying my Snapdragons early in the summer. I don't know why, you guys, but these and snails just freak me out. The June bug was not harmed while making this film. Okay, you guys, let's continue watching. I headed this Snapdragon as well. Just cut off all the dead stems, the leaves, the branches that didn't look so healthy. See, I got some more here to go as well. Just plucking and getting rid of them. What's that on my flower? Just getting rid of it. Cleaning it up and getting ready for fall. Cleaning it up and getting ready for fall. And I got these leaves that I want to get rid of. Lots and lots of leaves. Just looking here and there, plucking them, and start to, hopefully by the fall time they will come back nice and green. Got a lot of spider webs and stuff here. Just get rid of all these dead leaves here. Here, cleaning it up as best as possible and get it ready for fall. I just want to show you guys just a quick look. Look how beautiful my zinnias are growing, and my mint. A little update on my strawberries. This. I'm just waiting for them to turn into a full berry. I can't wait, you guys. I can't wait. I got my coneflowers. Make sure you stay tuned to my August bouquet. Of course, my zinnias are going to be in there. And I got some more mint growing nice and strong. I did headed the mint. I cleaned it up, and now they're nice, full and grown, getting ready for some tea or some water. And here I have some sunflowers growing. Hopefully they'll be ready for August, maybe. Hopefully. So that's just a little garden update, you guys. Just a little garden update. And the butterflies coming to visit my zinnia. I'll make sure I put a little clip in there for you guys to see the beautiful butterflies. And the wind is blowing. Let's give thanks to God, you guys. Oh, beautiful. Just beautiful. Also, right here, you guys, I have my tomatoes. And my tomatoes are growing. I gotta transfer them into a bigger pot, you guys. I really do. And I'm keeping them by the basil. They're good components. Look who's back and look who's using it. They are enjoying this. This one's a little smaller. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching as I prepare some of my flowers for fall. I hope this motivated you, encouraged you to get your flowers ready for fall. And like I always like to say, thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell and keep on growing. Thanks for watching. Bye.